friends, I am your host Dev Hore. You are watching my channel Ami Bhabaghure. Actually, I am just telling you one story. That is why I am posting this video today. It is the 28th January 2022. I have just few days ago completed my 1 year. That is my birthday. I have left just few days before birthday of this channel of Bhababaghure. That is your channel. Your support, your liking and your appreciation that is made my journey towards this, and I am step behind some of my first destination. That is why I have the responsibility to tell you the story, tell you the journey, and the journey I will tell you later the details. It is a short video, and just few days back I have gifted myself with this new gadget, that is the Gopro Hero 10. I am not just supposed to unboxing the new gadgets, but I will tell you one thing. GoPro Hero 10 action camera, it is newly introduced here in year 2020 September. It was introduced in worldwide, and thereafter it is available here, and other bloggers and YouTubers said that it is one of the best action camera ever, and that is why I have purchased it, and as well as I have gifted myself with this. This is the box. Here is the case where it was set aside, and this is the little teeny accessories, screw, helmet mount, etc. Actually, I am never tell anyone in my social circle my birthday and etc. my personal thing. I am always blessed with my family members, friends, relatives who they are close to me in respect of my personal life, and I am blessed enough from them. But it is here, I am here at Bhababaghure, my channel, and you are my core of my heart. You are my family. You are my family member. So I have the responsibility to tell you what is going on, and what I am telling you that I am just a step behind my first achievement, and that is why I have gifted myself with this camera, and as well as my wife gifted me with this lens. It is a 24-105 mm lens. Actually, it is a cost, too much cost is there. I can't afford it. I have already several lenses in my basket. But in spite of this, my wife gifted me at the same reason, same purpose. But it is not a actual lens, it is a coffee mug. You can see you can see it is a coffee mug here. My wife just gifted me for this purpose, and you know always I am a coffeeholic, coffee lover. So it is also a blessed to me, as my wife, my family supported me always, and that is why I am just able to get the title Ami Bhabaghure. You may know I am blogging for the people, the places, food and festival. I consider myself as a Bhabaghure it is a Bengali term, in literary term in English that is a vagabond. I have never settled before. I am a nomad. I like to be Bhabaghure Globe Trotter. There is no restriction of any kind of political, geopolitical restrictions. I will like to trot the whole universe with my two legs, and that is my motto. And in that motto, I have starting this vlog, Ami Bhabaghure. Actually, what is happening in our life, our few stages in our life. First stage is the education, and thereafter our profession, choosing any profession that is suited for me, for my family, the earnings, and we are stuck to the circle. Someone like to photograph, someone like to be artist, someone like to be a singer, someone like to be a dancer, and me, I am like to be a Bhabaghure Globe Trotter. So we are sometimes compromise our hobby, our niche, our passion, but somehow, some way, some fact is there in our background. But here in my life, it is possible due to my family's immense support, and that is why I am doing such thing. I can go anywhere, anytime, in spite of my family duties and all my businesses, everything, and that is why I am always just I would like to express you my great gratitude to you, my family. Either their support, your support, it can't be possible, never be possible. So blessed me, I can grow my channel next year step by step with my last achievable point, and that is my asking to you. That's favor you may, I expect you may do so. Thanking you once again. Good night. Happy New Year ahead. Thank you.